you want to understand HVAC in the simplest way possible? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. If you are a beginner or starting your HVAC career, this video will clear your basic concepts in just a few minutes. What is HVAC? HVAC is a system used to control temperature, control air quality, control humidity, provide comfort inside buildings. You can find HVAC systems in homes, offices, hospitals, malls, and factories. Heating. Heating means increasing room temperature during winter. Common heating systems include furnaces, boilers, heat pumps. Heating systems produce warm air or hot water and distribute it inside the building. Ventilation. Ventilation means supplying fresh air and removing stale air. It helps to remove bad smell, remove CO2, control humidity, improve indoor air quality. Ventilation systems use fans and ducts to circulate air. Air conditioning, AC. Air conditioning means cooling the air, removing heat, controlling humidity. The AC works using four main components: compressor, condenser, expansion device, evaporator. These components form the refrigeration cycle. Basic HVAC concepts you must know. Here are some important basic concepts. Heat always moves from hot to cold. Refrigerant absorbs heat inside evaporator. Compressor increases pressure. Condenser releases heat outside. Expansion valve reduces pressure. Understanding these basics makes HVAC easy. Now you understand the basic concepts of HVAC. If you want more detailed HVAC training videos, make sure to follow HVAC official channel. Keep learning, keep growing.